Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigetta. Are you looking for an appetizer for your next party or 4th of July celebration? Then this is it, taco salad cups. You're going to need cooking spray, sour cream, wonton wrappers, which I've used before, and I'll link that recipe in the, darn it, I'll link that recipe. Okay, gonna link that recipe. Lettuce, ground beef, your choice. Different kinds of cheeses, again, your choice. Salsa. There are so many different kinds of salsa on the market, so you're going to use your favorite. Taco seasoning mix, guacamole, or you could cut up an avocado. I've already shredded some cheddar cheese, and now I'm going to shred pepper jack cheese, and I'm going to use both in this recipe. This is what they look like. They're very thin. You're going to find them in the produce section of your store. And I'm just pushing them into the dish, into our muffin pan. And pushing them down. They go up the sides a little bit. And you'll fold them so that they'll be like cups when you put all your other ingredients inside. And it's that simple. After we get them all in, then I'm going to spray them with the cooking spray. You won't need to spray your pan. What you're doing is you're just spraying the wonton wrappers so they don't burn. And you're only lightly browning them in the oven. And what I'm also going to do is get a napkin and just kind of spread that around a little bit. Be sure to get it on the edges. That's where I really need it. And in case you have too much. Now if you say I don't have any cooking spray and you want to use oil, I'd still use a napkin. Put the oil on your napkin and then dab it on the edges. Because if you get too much oil, then the bottoms are going to be greasy, so you don't want that. And that's what they look like when they come out of the oven. So I'm going to let those cool while we do the next step. Our next step is we're going to brown our ground beef. Okay, I've drained the meat. I'm going to add the seasoning packet. This is what I picked, but there's lots of choices on the market. So I need to add this to water. This one is, you add 2/3 of a cup of water. I'm going to stir this up, and then I'm going to add it to the ground meat. I find if I do it this way, it mixes better. Here's our wonton wrappers out of the oven, ready to go. So we're going to start filling them. And it doesn't matter what order you do it in. They look good.
Yes, they do.
You know what the hardest part of this recipe was?
Not eating them immediately after you made every one of them?
No, not exactly.
What?
It was deciding which ingredients to put in the cups. So, standing in the store, deciding which salsa, which cheese to get. So, you have lots of options when you make this.
All right, let's try them right now.
So, yeah, I'm not going to make you wait any more. Oh, wow. Really good.
Gives a whole new meaning to Taco Tuesday, which is today. Thank you, Brigitte.
Oh, it is Taco Tuesday. It is Tuesday.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Of course, the recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps out my channel. Until next time,
See you later.
bye.
Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papitas fritas. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papitas fritas. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. de cerdo.